Ready.
Hi, it's Frank.
It's all right, we can edit.
Hi, I'm Frank Herrera. I'm CigarLaw. I also have my own brand, CARIDAD Del Cobre. I'm also here with a client, one of my very best friends, Montagne, who's the owner of Quatanamera. He's had the brand out since 1997. He's been putting out a great quality boutique cigar ever since. Unfortunately, back in 2002, he's been enduring some litigation, first at the trademark office, and now in a district court against Habanos. And we think we're right, and we think we've got a great brand, and it's a great product. And I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Montagne.
Hello.
Jose, tell us a little bit about your cigar.
Well, we think that we have a great cigars. We are the owner of Montagne Cigars. My name is Jose Montagne. My cigar is completely handmade, long filler, made in Nicaragua, where the wrapper is coming to Ecuador, San Juan, Sumatra. The binder is Nicaragua, and the filler is Nicaragua too. But it's a very good cigar with very good draw and very good taste. I recommend it for everybody who can smoke my cigar.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Now tell us a little bit about, and I know you can't go into any detail, but a little bit about your situation and when you might expect that to be resolved.
Well, as I mentioned a moment ago, we have the case appealed at the District Court in the District of Columbia. It's coming up to trial in the next few months, and it doesn't really matter if we win or lose at this stage, because if we win, they will appeal, and if they win, we will appeal. We still have 2 more appeals, so we're not being foolish about all this. We know it's not over until it's over, so we expect to be in litigation for the next couple of years. We just recently deposed Habanos, some corporate representatives in Washington, D.C. last week. We deposed the Vice President of Marketing and the Vice President of Production, and surprisingly to my client and I, they were very cordial, even though we've been in litigation for 8 years. And in fact, we found that we shared a lot of the same things. It was actually one of the highlights of my legal career.
Great. Now, at issue really here is the name. Is that correct?
Yeah. My client filed a trademark application in 2002. Corporation, Habanos, thereafter filed their own application. Before my client's mark was to be registered, Habanos filed an opposition. Their grounds were many grounds. One, that the mark Quatanamera is geographically deceptively misdescriptive. There's just some ground under the trademark law for which they wanted to basically get him out of the way.
Right.
Our position is, and what was we believe to be justified during the deposition, was that Quatanamera's primary meaning is the title of a song. It's not a primary geographic indicator. Folks aren't going to think that a Quatanamera brand cigar actually comes from Cuba. Many reasons why. Number 1, the name is a song. 2, there's an embargo that's been going on for many years, and it would be highly unlikely. So we think we're right. They think they're right. They have a lot at stake. Their Quatanamera brand has increased in sales. And we can't tell you the exact number, but in deposition we found out what their number was, and it's really a remarkable number. So they have a lot invested worldwide in the brand. It's getting bigger, and they want to be able to sell in the United States when the time comes. And we say they can. So we'll see. We'll see who's right. Thank you very much.
Thanks for taking time.
Thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.